Here, the Delhi government accuses the centre of failing to provide ample supply of oxygen during Delhi High Court hearing on COVID. Delhi government says centre is trying to skirt the main issue of allocating of oxygen. The centre has miserably failed the country. We need to make them accountable. Delhi government says there must be an order passed today. The centre should not be allowed to get away anymore. We cannot meet the requirements of the patients in Delhi unless we get our allocated share of oxygen. Here's a Delhi government now shifting the blame on the centre entirely, accusing the centre of not supplying adequate oxygen to the state of Delhi, the national capital. The Delhi government now accusing centre of failing to provide ample supply of oxygen during the Delhi High Court hearing. Here's what the Delhi government says. The centre is trying to skirt off the main issue of allocation of oxygen. The centre has miserably failed the country. We need to make them accountable. Delhi government now saying that there must be an order passed today. The centre should not be allowed to get away anymore. We cannot meet the requirements of the patients in Delhi unless we get our allotted oxygen. Nalini Sharma joining us from Delhi for more details on that. Nalini, here's the Delhi government now aggressively blaming the central government for not supplying adequate amount of oxygen to Delhi, saying that our share is not given to us. We cannot let the centre get away with this anymore. It's the centre's responsibility and they are to be blamed entirely.
Well, Nabila, you know what? In the past couple of hearings, the Delhi High Court has been time and again pulling up the Delhi government, asking them why nothing is being done. So today, right off the bat, once the hearing began, beg your pardon, the Delhi High Court's come out with a very aggressive attack against the centre, saying till the time the centre is not going to give the oxygen that has been allotted to Delhi, there is nothing that the Delhi government can do to further supply this oxygen. With regard to that, they've made a plea before the High Court that there should be specific orders passed directing the centre to ensure that the 480 metric tons of oxygen that they have allotted in their allocation order of 21st April should be provided to Delhi on a daily basis. Yesterday, there were some questions raised by the High Court bench to the centre as to why this allocation was not being met, and despite repeated promises from the centre, why were they still not able to give that kind of oxygen to the national capital? With regard to that, there were no satisfactory answers that had come in from the central government side. They had in fact told the High Court that they are going to get instructions on it and get back to the High Court with further details, but nothing is progress. There is no satisfactory answer coming in from the central government at all, which is why the Delhi government has now put them in the dock, said that they need to be made accountable by the High Court and specific orders need to be issued against them, because there is a complete lack of sensitivity and a complete lack of apathy from the central government's part in this entire scenario.
Nalini, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Here's the Delhi government now outrightly hitting out at the centre for not supplying adequate amount of oxygen to Delhi, the national capital, saying that the centre must be fully responsible. They can't get away with this.